Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious green omelet. Start by gathering all your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh spinach, 2 large eggs, and a splash of milk or cream for richness. Don't forget 1/4 cup of chopped green onions and 2 tablespoons of your favorite fresh herbs, like parsley or chives. A tablespoon of olive oil or butter, plus salt and pepper, will complete your mise en place for this delicious green omelet. First, gently sauté your spinach and green onions in a pan for about 2 minutes until they're just wilted. This brings out their flavor. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with a splash of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper until light and frothy. Then, fold in your sautéed greens and fresh herbs into the egg mixture, ensuring everything is beautifully combined. Now heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour in your green egg mixture, spreading it evenly. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes until the edges are set and the center is nearly firm. This is crucial for a fluffy texture. Then, gently fold 1/2 of the omelet over the other, creating that classic shape. Continue cooking for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, just until the omelet is heated through and perfectly set. Then, with a gentle hand, slide your beautifully cooked green omelet onto a warm plate. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a few more fresh herbs or a sprinkle of your favorite cheese. Serve it immediately and savor every delicious bite of this wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.